Hey guys, it's Zaylee. I just got back from New York. My sound sounds crazy because one, I'm using my vlogging camera, and two, because I just moved again. So this is the third time that I'm moving in Dallas, and I think that the third time is the charm. Now, a lot of you guys follow me because you want to move to Dallas as well. So the first thing that I would tell you to do is to make sure and follow me on Instagram. That way you can see my day in and day out. You know, just living in Dallas. I share a lot on Instagram, so make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna pop that down below in the description box and somewhere on the screen as well. The next thing that I want to say is, I know a lot of you guys are asking me about jobs and stuff in Dallas, but I do work for myself, so that makes a bit of a difference. I was able to just leave New York and relocate and not have to look for a job, but I'll explain about that in a different video. And I will also link down below how you can find out more about what I do and how I work for myself. It does include creating awesome videos if you do own a business or you are looking to elevate your brand and things like that. So look down below. You get more information about that. The third thing is welcome. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick little, it's empty right now. There's nothing in here, but I wanted to share it with you guys. I'm like, who am I gonna share this with? I'm also thinking about sharing my current apartment, but I don't know. So the thing is, I love the building that I'm currently in, and there's an apartment that I saw at first, when I first moved here. I really liked it, but it didn't have enough space for me to have a separate office in it. And so my apartment that I'm moving from has an office nook, or a space where you can actually, you know, have your desk and your setup and things like that. You guys know I record a lot of videos. I'm sorry, I look a little crazy today because I've been running around and I'm sick. That too, yeah, crazy story. Anyway, but what was I saying, guys? Oh yeah, the office. And so now that I have an office space that's not in my apartment, I'm like, I can get that apartment that I really wanted in the first place. And the second reason why I really love this apartment is the lighting is awesome. And so you guys know that I love sharing on Instagram about my health and fitness journey, which I'm thinking about bringing over to YouTube. Not too sure yet. But I'll keep you guys updated. Let me know if you want to see health and fitness videos, you know, like what I eat in a day, or, you know, what keeps your waist tiny, or, you know, what do you eat to do that, or, you know, things like that. Let me know and I'll definitely, think about putting it somewhere. Anyway, so, geez, what is wrong with me? The lighting. So I'll be able to share more cooking and things like that, the way that I really want to. Anyway, so it's empty. There's nothing in here, and I just came by. I was like, let me just record before I put anything in it so that I can share it with you guys. Like I said, I am on my vlogging camera, so it's not the best quality, but it's gonna work. Ooh, I just saw a glimmer of light or something. I get distracted easily. Anyway, guys, let's dive in. Okay, guys, so this is what they call what do you call this? A charging station. I love it because, so this is when you enter the apartment. It's dark back here, which is but hey, I can deal with it. So this is what I usually like store all of my camera equipment and things like that. In my old apartment, I actually have a stool here, and I'll link a video where I have like a glimpse of my old apartment so that you can see. And so yeah, so I have a stool there, you know, and sometimes I put my laptop there and work if I'm not in the office itself. This is what they call a mini mudroom. This is really cute because you can put stuff up here. I love hanging stuff here. It's perfect because when you get into the house, you can just put your bags and your shoes and everything right there and not have to deal with it. So that's really a plus in this space. And then we have this super long hallway, which is why it's so dark and I echo so much in here. And this definitely has lights up there. I just don't have them on, maybe because I don't know where they are. Actually, so these lights are, here. So this is pretty cool. I don't know what I'm gonna do here just yet. Maybe I may put some artwork here or a mirror. Actually, that's a good idea. Maybe, I'm not too sure yet. And so, you know, this is the entrance to the kitchen and everything else in the apartment. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, this is what this looks like back here. Like I said, I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with this hallway. It's a pretty cool hallway, but yeah. This right here is the bathroom. Might as well show you guys. The bathroom, this bathroom is smaller than the bathroom I currently have, but I have to remind myself that I'm really just one person. I'm always in black, FYI. So yes, this is the mirror and this is the sink. It doesn't have awesome storage space, but I could work with it. I have shoes right there in my old apartment right now, and they have lots of drawers and things like that. I have more storage space in my old apartment in the bathroom, but it's fine. This is the bathroom. I do love these bathrooms. I love that we have a light in there. I love that we have a seat in there, and I can definitely see how I can jazz this up and make this my own little space, right? So yeah, definitely. What I do love about the bathroom is that I have a connection to my closet and my bedroom. So here we have a full-size washer dryer, which is always really handy to have on the inside. This is my closet. So this closet is way smaller than the other one that I have right now, but I'm gonna figure it out. Maybe I might need to put additional hooks or something here, stack some stuff up here. I don't know. I just put that there. But yeah, so I'm gonna have to figure that out as well. That's one of the challenges of this new space. But yeah, so this is the closet. I'm actually in the bedroom right now, but I'll show you guys in a little bit what the bedroom looks like. But yeah, so this is the closet, and we're going back into the bathroom. I'm gonna close this door, and then I'm gonna go back to the hallway, right? So just so that you guys don't get disoriented closing that door. Okay, here we go. I had to take that light off so that you see everything nicely. This is the empty living room. So I know it looks a little bit dark because we are against the light, but I think this is what I love most about this space, especially just the light in here, right? So this is HVAC, which is essential in every apartment, duh. And this is, you know, your standard, what do you call these things? I'm Trinidadian, so we call them cupboards, kitchen cupboards. What are they? Cabinets, there we go. I just put that in there. But I love the gray. It's crazy because my furniture is actually gray as well, which I like because I like minimalist, just a simple look. Refrigerator is basically the same as the one I have right now. And I'll link my old apartment tour as well. Yeah, refrigerator, ice maker back there. Now, here we have our dishwasher, and I like this because I don't have this in my old apartment, so I'll be able to, like, you know, put something cute up there, which is above the sink. So that's gonna be pretty cool. I like that we have, there's so much storage. It's crazy because I think it's kind of the same. It's a bit different from my old space that I'm in right now, the layout of the cabinets, but it's so much space. Like in my old apartment, I don't even ever fill up the top there. I have like paper towels and stuff in this one, like, and I probably don't even have anything else. So it's like so much storage space, which I really, really, really love. I love that, you know, we have the stovetop right here, you know, the oven, which is pretty cool. And what else? The microwave is up here. That's pretty cool as well, and so much more storage. So that's pretty dope. Now, another part that I really love about this space is this, you guys see I have my phone plugged in right now, the island. So I'm gonna go just backwards here a little bit. The sun is already kind of going down, but I like the light in here because it's not too bright or too dark. It's really diffused, which is perfect for me doing videos and things like that, so that your lighting won't be too harsh. And so here I can do overhead shots of food and stuff like that when I'm cooking and sharing with you guys. So that'll be perfect. I love that there is a plug here, an outlet. Turn it back in again. There's an outlet here so that I'm able to put a hot plate, have overhead lighting, like I said, and for photography and stuff. So that's pretty cool. I really like that. Another thing that I really like about the kitchen is this awesome little wine fridge. Isn't it cute? I gotta stock it up with some wine. But yeah, so that's a pretty cool addition. More storage, the garbage. That's pretty cool too. And yeah, so this is my first thing I bought from my old apartment because I wanted to put some life in here because it's empty. So yeah. And so I'm gonna show you guys outside. But this is the living room, right? So I'm in one corner and I can give you guys like a good general pan of like, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with this space yet, but I'll keep you guys updated. Y'all know Makeup Shayla does this hand, which is like, anyway, another thing that I absolutely love are these barn doors. They are simply like, I can't tell you how gorgeous these are. So I'm definitely excited. This is leading into the bedroom, but before I go in there, let me show you another thing I like. I don't know why I like this little wall here, maybe because it gives me the opportunity to put something else there, but I think that's gonna be cool as well. And yeah, so this heads into my bedroom. Woo! So aren't these doors just so freaking amazing? But yes. So this heads into my bedroom, and the bedroom that I have right now is bigger, but I'm just one person. I have to keep telling myself I'm just one person, right? So I'm gonna figure out like where I'm going to put my bed and things like that. So that's the, that's that. And then you guys saw this already. So this is my closet. So I get to enter my closet from my bedroom, and then like we did before, head into the bathroom. So that's gonna be pretty exciting. I'll just give you guys a general view of what it looks like. Another thing that I love is I love how these doors look from the inside, right? It's just so beautiful. So gorgeous. I don't know, like I know I'm gonna be excited just opening these up in the morning and getting that in the morning and getting that in the morning and getting that sunlight in and things like that. So I think I showed you guys everything. And so yeah. Also guys, don't laugh at me, but I bought a sprig of sage just to sage my apartment. Have you saged your apartment? I just brought this little bit but have you saged your apartment? Do you sage your space? I remember back in 2015 or 2014, I can't remember which one, I used to sell sage online, and now it's really popular. But yeah, I'm gonna sage my space. Do you sage your space? Let me know down below in the comments. And in the words of Beyonce, you ain't gotta go girl, but you gotta get the heck up out of here. So thanks for doing this with me guys. I really love you, and look out for some more. Like I'm gonna be doing much more because my kitchen is way brighter now. And yeah, I love you guys. Talk to you soon. Follow me on Instagram at Zaylee Barclay.